No. Alright, let's get ready to break.
You have to grab away. You have to grab away from. You have to grab a weapon. You have to grab a weapon.
No, you can't even take this way. Come on. Hit it now, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Go.
Now hit it from the side. Now hit it from the side. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna go here.
Don't hit it from the side like that. You gotta hit down on the table.
No, don't throw it.
Alright.
Don't do that. Smash some stuff in.
Nice.
Burn. Blast this. Oh, burn. Blast this. Burn. Blast this.
We have to bring our old TV in here and smash that. And
Burn.
you can bring your own stuff.
Blast this. Understand.
And
Unburn. Blast this.
a couple more, okay?
Two more.
Come on. Go pick it up. That's not funny. Come on.
I'm gonna break that one.
Next.
Last one. Come here, big boy. Big
Andrew,
boy.
make sure you get it going towards the walls, like you said.
Say bye-bye to the big boy. Bye-bye. Alright,
Alright, switch it up.
Andrew.
Andrew, come over here.
Keep doing it like that, baby. Shut up, I don't do it. Okay, we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. Imagine we'll fix it. So we go. One more.
He said a few more.
Like 10. It was straight down from the top. Ooh. I'm gonna break it. Oh gosh. Well, don't break it. Don't count that. Just go on. It won't break. Yeah, you don't know that either. Under this.
Let me have that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so another one. That 1, 2, 3. William, you got it. Put it back on your head. You got 4 more to go. Huh?
Now, I'm not supposed to break this. 3, this. Hit hard! Yay! This is your last one. Last one.
Come here, like 1, 2.
Count. 8.
Maybe 2 more. Okay? That'll be good.
2.
And then Andrew gets the rest.
Okay, perfect hit first of all. Second of all, I like that. However you will, I'll throw that ball as hard as I can. Hit it to the wall. You did what I said. It's still alive. Throw it to the wall. Throw it to the wall.
Straight ahead, perfect on the top again. Nope. Oh, no.
There's another one. Hit it from the side. Hit it from the side hard.
Nice.
Alright, now we hit one of them from the top. No, just do it. I don't want it bouncing back and it won't.
Hey, you need to do it. Hey, no, you gotta do it that against the wall, not towards us. No. That way, there you go.
Hey, check it. You break half of it. I only broke half. I want to break half to do this.
No, don't.
3, 2, 1.
Get those 2 and you can grab some more of those. Hey, get that thing on your head all the way.
Alright, let's spin it straight on head down.
Hey, make sure you do those. Hey. At the walls of plywood, not towards this way.
Oh, hit it with some force.
Because we don't have to start. Nobody's watching the left.
Ew.
That was a big one.
Last one. No.
Yeah, that's your last one.
Wait, I'm doing the last one.
And then William will do one more, okay?
No, why?
You can do it too. Can you handle that?
Stab it. Stab it from the other end. Got it. Did it break? Did it break? And did it break? No, I didn't that one. Oh. Yeah, whatever. We're not manning now. What? Got the head off.
There you go.
Oh. Alright.
Get that last dark one over there. Over on the other side, Andrew.
Other side.
Right over there.
I thought no one's doing that.
No, you got to grab one more little thing. You're good.
Wait. No, that's all. That's good. Wait, let me get the remaining. No, good.
make sure we're blowing it up at the wall. So
Okay,
it's
well.
red. Good drill. Alright, last three, alright?
I'm only doing
Crowbar's heavy, dude. Probably too heavy, dude. Not on the ground, not supposed to break it on the ground, remember?
Well, now don't do the glass for that one. Yeah. Glass is hard. I'm gonna use this one.
Alright, sounds good. Alright. Don't step on anything, okay? Last one.
Use the big glass.
Yep.
I think this one's not going to use this one. Yeah. That's hard to smash. Oh, it explodes everywhere. Get a round of applause from the Smash Boys!
Alright, we just got done here doing axe throwing and breaking stuff here at Escape in Time in the Woodlands. William and Andrew, what did you think? What do you think, Will?
10 out of 10.
What do you think, Andrew?
6, 7 out of 10.